Hello and welcome guys, my name is Shaz and in today's video we're gonna be working on Hostinger and see what they offer. Right, so without wasting any time, this is their website hostinger.com, and according to my experience I've been using GoDaddy, Bluehost and a lot of other web hostings, but I just got to know about their name and their plans. They are quite budgeted and no compromise on speed or whatsoever. So let's see what they exactly offer. I'm on their website and I'll go to hosting plans. They offer shared web hosting, cloud, WordPress, cPanel, VPS, Minecraft, CyberPanel. Okay, so we all are familiar with cPanel, but they offer something customized, right? They call it their own panel. It's called hPanel. So let's see what it is. I'll go to business hosting and then I'll select one plan. See, they start from less than $2 a month. Okay, it's way cheaper than even imagination. And their shared hosting premium plan is less than $3 and business is, let's say, $4. So if we compare it, what do we have? Okay, so we can host up to 100 websites on these two plans. The basic one is only for one website, so since I'm about to use two websites and both would be e-commerce, so let's see how it goes for them. 25k and 10k, right? So like I said, I'm going to use e-commerce website on this service, so I'll be needing more visitors monthly. So I'm going with this business shared hosting plan. Just a quick view again. So they will be offering me free emails, up to 100 emails per domain. That is nice, very nice. And then some Google Ads credit, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress acceleration. All right, so 30 days money back guarantee, which is really cool. And then CDN, it should be Cloudflare, I guess so. So we will see once we purchase this. And DNS management, 100 subdomains, unlimited FTP and cron jobs. Okay, so since I'm also having a promo code which is 15% off, I am going to purchase this business shared hosting plan. Alright, so there are some more features what they exactly offer. Okay, so if I go for 2 years, it's 273. Okay, right. So for now it's giving me 383 is the standard rate, but it's on promotion, and plus I applied my 15% off code, so it's only 110 for 2 years. It's $55 per year, which is very cheap, and I'm going straight to purchase this using my card. You will be using your card, of course. So let's say, first of all, I have to type in my email. And then I'm going down, scrolling down, credit card, Google Pay, Coin Payments, PayPal. So you have 4 payment gateways. I'm going to use credit card. Okay guys, so I have entered my payment details and it's loading. Okay, so this is the default screen. They're asking me to create a password. I'll create a password now. And then next screen, start now, help us provide the perfect experience for you by answering a few questions. Yes, sure, I'm starting now. I'm creating a website for, let's say, a client, and then it will be an online store. Right, I am a professional website creator. Okay, just select the options which you are more relevant to and select a platform. Right, so even in start it's giving me option to create a WordPress website or even WordPress with WooCommerce, or I can select a different CMS, or I can simply skip and start from the scratch, or I can even migrate my website. But since I'm just trying to set up my account to play with the tools they offer, I'm just going to skip this option. All right, claim a free domain. Nice, so I got a free domain. I can have it right now. I can search, and these are okay. Please remember, these are the only extensions for free eligibility. .help, .click, .link, .net. So if you want some extension which is not here, unfortunately you will not be able to have that. Right, if I was looking for a CA extension, a Canadian website, I cannot have it because it's not there. So I will have to select one of them. Claim a free domain. I don't want that right now. Use an existing domain or buy a domain. And since I have a domain which I'm planning to migrate here, I will just use that. Alright, so for that, please remember that is purchased on GoDaddy. So I will log into my GoDaddy account, and here it is. I have to copy the address and paste it here. Select continue. Okay, it accepted, so I can hit continue. Let's finish setting up. Here is some important info for you. Your chosen domain is okay. Your chosen website location is right. So I can select my data center. And it's advised to use the one closer to your location. So I'm going to use North America. Okay. And I will just go, or no. Let's say I'm building this website for somebody living in Middle East. So it's a good practice to use the nearest location. So nearest location to Middle East is Singapore. I select that and just finish setup. Okay, please wait. It takes less than 3 minutes to complete the website creation. Yes, I have no other option than to wait. I wish I could speed up the process, but that is how things are. Updating credentials, right? And they have this sticky support everywhere. Wherever you are, you can simply send them a message or find the help articles, and their usual response time is under 1 hour based on the service you want help about. Preparing dashboard. Stinger. Okay, it's taking a lot of time, but all the hostings usually take it. You're almost there. Nice. Right. Congratulations. So you to view your website and make any changes, you need to point your domain to our name servers from your current registrar. Your name servers are okay. So since my domain is on GoDaddy, I have to go there, update the name servers so I can host files here and create email address, domains, subdomains, and all those things. So in order to do that, I will just copy first name server, go to my GoDaddy products, and I am in domain settings. I have to manage DNS. By the way, if you don't know how to get there, just log in, click on my products. You will see a list of domains here. Select the one you want to edit, hit manage DNS, and then scroll down until you find name servers field and change it to the ones we just got from Hostinger. Connect my domain to a website I have built or enter my own name servers advanced. Hit that, copy and paste, go back, select second, copy and paste and hit save. So depending on your hosting or domain registrar company, you have to find like the way or the place where you can edit your domain DNS. It's different in every hosting. GoDaddy is different, Namecheap is different, and everyone else is having their own setup to navigate through your DNS taggers. Right, so it will take a moment to update. I will go back and see if it's done or not. Manage website. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take up to 24 hours to reflect globally. Okay, and manage site. Okay, congratulations. So this is my home page. Right, so this is what they call hPanel. Hi Shiraz, welcome to Hostinger. I am Darius, the head of customer success. Okay, so if I need something, I'll just hit support. How easy, what is so difficult to set up a website? Let's just keep it for now, or I can select one to get rid of it completely. Close. Right. Okay, so here it says my hosting plan is since my server is based in Singapore, my IP address of server, order usage, renew, upgrade. I can even upgrade my package from here, which I don't want, but obviously I can if I have more visitors a month, and accounts details, change password, emails. Okay, so they gave me an email plan which is valid until my hostings plan 2 years, and then I have subdomains, park domains, add a website, redirects, Cloudflare, website auto installer, must be having all the applications, import a website, migrate, error pages, SEO toolkit, learn to code, file manager. Okay, so they have two kinds of file manager, one is beta and one is their standard version, and then I can have backups to FTP accounts, database, MySQL database, PHP MyAdmin. Okay, PHP MyAdmin it's usually different in cPanel, so they have it here. And MySQL database creation is also having a different layout in cPanel, but their hPanel is quite simple, elegant, and easy to navigate. And then they have DNS zone editor, PHP configuration, cron jobs, cache manager, password protect directories, IP manager, deactivate account, fix file ownership. Okay, so almost everything which I need to use quickly is there, right? Without getting lost in directories or going in inner pages, everything is there for me. So this is the home, and they say resend activation email. We have sent a verification email. Okay, so they need to verify. Of course, I will simply verify this. Welcome to Titan. Your professional email is ready. Okay, so their email plan is called Titan, and Stinger team is waiting for you. They sent an offer. Zero website builder for free. Oh, nice. Verify email address. So basically they sent me 4 emails. One is welcoming me to professional email, one is Zero website builder, one is payment received, and then a verification email. I will simply hit verify. Right, there you go. And then I have Cloudflare protection pending setup and SSL certificate activation. I'll hit activate certificate. Okay, so it has selected my domain already. I just need to install SSL. Get going, installing. Your domain is not pointing to his Hostinger, right? Because like they said, it takes up to 44 or 24 hours to fully propagate. I have to wait, but meanwhile I can play with other options. Then I have domains. I can find a domain, I can transfer domain, I can get a new domain here. And then I have SSL. Okay, list of SSL will be here, and since it says it's active, I'm sure my DNS is pointing to Hostinger already. I should see a part domain page. Your account has been created, right? And it says Hostinger, so that means my DNS is properly propagated and it's hosted on Hostinger. Now I can transfer my domain here, but for now I don't want that. Let's just keep it that way. And then I have emails active, and I can do what else here. Let's see, it's loading. So I have email accounts, forwarding, cache, import email data, billing and subscription, upgrade plan, domain verification. Everything I want is here. So let's say I simply create an email account for me. Email accounts, create new email account, and make this email account on email and admin. Let's see what it is. An admin can add, delete email accounts, manage upgrade and billing, right? So if you are if you need this functionality, it will work as it says. This email address will work as an admin. He will be able to add or delete other email accounts. Since I don't want it, I'll simply uncheck, and let's say a basic professional email, which is info@yourwebsite.com, and then I'll give it a password, automatically generate password if you want, password recovery email address. If you in case you forgot something you want to recover, you can use the email address here. Let's create an account. All right, they have this mobile app, and then they have access webmail, or I can send login details to this email. Let's simply access webmail to have the idea of the layout. So what's the user interface I'm about to get here? Again, it's asking me if I want a recovery email address. No, I will do that later on. Welcome to your new professional email. You can have email templates, email tracking, follow-up reminders, email scheduling. Everything which I will be needing to run a successful business, it's there. I can even have turn on notifications, and they sent me a welcome email. Okay, see, it's nice, it's clean, everything is there at fingertips to access. I like it. Email, calendar, contacts, everything is there. Trimax, of course, will be an upgraded plan. We'll see what it is, but for now we created our new email address, and it's 1 GB per email. Okay, so please remember, the business shared plan is giving us Titan email package with 1 GB space per email, which is good. And then we get back to hostings, and I'll try to quickly install a WordPress now. So a list of domains will be here. Since I'm only having one right now, I'll go and manage this, and auto installer. sorry, yeah, auto installer, and your domain is not pointing to hosting. Even now it's not pointing, but we can install WordPress. So once it's completely pointed here, this error will be gone and we will be able to access our website. So let's say we want to build a website, WordPress website from scratch. I will simply select this. Okay, it's asking me if it's HTTP or HTTPS, and yes, it is SSL activated, so I'm going to use HTTPS. And tmama.com, if you want to install it on root, yes. If you want in some other directory, you can, like the -mama.com/test/workflow, anything you want. I want a fresh WordPress installed on my root, so I'll simply select this. And then it's asking me administrator username, okay, administrator password. They both are coming from my account. I can change if I want to, I don't. And then I have to select a password, a secure one, of course. Then website title, what it is about, new shopping store. And the website language, it's English. Okay, 55 MB of database required space, right? So WordPress installation requires 55 MB of space. And then PHP version, it requires minimum 4.6 and maximum 8.0, and we have both. This is why this is green with a check, and this tick again. Minimum MySQL version, it requires 5, we have it. This is why it's checked. Turn off automatic application updates, update only to minor version. I always choose this middle option, install. Okay, while it's installing, in my next video I will be migrating WordPress to this domain, to this Hostinger account from, let's say, a cPanel or another Hostinger account, or maybe it's on my local host using XAMPP or WAMP. So I will be using phpMyAdmin from that place to export my WordPress installation including database, and then I will import it here to this account. And WordPress is successfully installed. New shopping store, SSL activated, good. My connection is secure, and yes, this is it pretty much. Congratulations, this is for default WordPress, as we know. Alright, so this is it for now, guys, and I'll see you in next video to migrate a designed, established WordPress website in my Hostinger account. Until then, thank you, bye bye.